Okay, let's start with speaking part 2. Describe an actor or actress whom you admire, please.
I'm very fond of watching movies and TV shows, and I admire all the actors and actresses who living their roles. And here I'll talk about two actors, Nawazuddin Siddiqui and Pankaj Tripathi. Both are from India, Bollywood stars, and they have impressed me with their acting skills, and they looks like they looks like
They
actual,
look like.
they look like actual characters, and the, with their stellar performance, they have played many roles. Both played mostly both played negative roles, and in firstly I saw them in Gangs of Wasepura movie came in 2012, and it was a criminal movie, but their roles were very amazing, and their performance was very good.
Okay, good. 1 minute 7 seconds. Just try to speak a little more fluently and try to express yourself in a variety of different ways so that you actually use variety of words and expressions in your answer. Now, let's go on. Do people idealize film stars in your city?
Uh, Sorry.
Do people idealize film stars in your city?
I think yes, there are many film stars in my city. But I don't like some Pakistani.
No, this
Actors
is not the answer to my question. My question is different. All right. Why do young people copy their favorite actor or their favorite actress?
because they want to become like themselves, and
Okay, you'll have to work extremely hard with speaking part 3. Okay, because they may ask you such type of questions and you should have the answers, right? Thank you so much.